Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. E. Red color, pink color, silver color, black color, green color, violet color, purple color, gold color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, brown color, red color. Red color, E. E for elephant. Red color, E. E for envelope. Red color, E. E for egg. Yellow color. Yellow color, E. E for elephant. Yellow color, E. E for egg. Yellow color, E. E for envelope. Violet color, E. E for envelope. E. E for elephant. E. E for egg. Orange color, E. E for envelope. E. E for egg. E. E for elephant. Red color, E. E for envelope. Yellow color, E. E for elephant. Orange color, E. E for egg.